Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time. Recently one of the stoplights on our family SUV stopped working and I had to replace the bulb to fix the problem. Let me show you how I did it. To get to the rear headlight bulbs, there's usually a small access door in the trunk area of your car. I'm using one of my trim removal tools to avoid scratching the panels when taking out the plastic cover. Now you should be able to take out the bad bulb. Keep in mind there's going to be 3 bulbs in there, one for the reverse light, one for the blinker, and one for the stop light. Make sure you're taking out and replacing the correct bulb. All 3 bulbs can be removed and then reinstalled in a similar manner. First you'll need to twist it counterclockwise and then you should be able to pull it right out. To reinstall it, do the same thing in the reverse order. When replacing bulbs, it's often recommended to replace both sides, otherwise the older bulb may not last very long. If you need help finding replacement bulbs for your car, please check out the links in the description area below. When you're finished, close the plastic cover and then test the new bulbs to make sure they're working properly. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and have a nice day.